These days, you can do anything with your phone. Order a pizza, watch a movie. So if I can have my groceries delivered with an app on my phone, why would I need to go into a store to buy a plant? These fun and engaging kits offer more than just a product purchase. Each one is designed to offer an opportunity for connection. A unique experience that customers are craving and will keep them coming back to your store. Whether for a workshop series, a fixed installation, or a pop-up shop, these kits are sure to keep them coming back for more. So I guess there's some things that your phone can't do, like create a hands-on retail experience. But we can.